Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your remote and a backup input like a USB keyboard work. You need control as soon as the system restarts. Power off the TV using the remote or power button, then unplug the power cord for 10 seconds to clear transient faults. Once done, plug it back in, but do not power on yet. Make sure any external USB drives are removed because they can alter boot behavior. Now get ready to power on using the correct key sequence for your device. You will now perform the key sequence that forces a normal boot instead of safe mode. Power the TV on and hold home or volume down immediately for 7 to 10 seconds. The exact key depends on brand, so if home alone fails, try home plus back or volume up instead. As you hold, observe the logo and any on-screen messages. Releasing when you see the normal boot animation usually exits safe mode. If the menu appears, select Restart or Reboot to ensure a full clean boot. Once the TV boots, you should see regular apps and no safe mode label in a corner. Confirm by opening an app you previously could not run. If it still boots into safe mode, you likely have a problematic app. Go to Settings, Apps, uninstall the most recent or suspicious apps, then restart. If uninstalling fails or the problem persists, back up your data and perform a factory reset from Settings. One troubleshooting tip: try booting with a different input device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.